So the first thing I would do is find 38 degrees, 10 minutes. So here's 38 degrees, 10 minutes. Since I'm looking at the left-hand side, I'm going to read the top sign, come down and match up with the second one right there. So we should get 0.6180. Try this one. The cosecant of 39 degrees, 50 minutes. First thing I did was find 39 degrees, 50 minutes in my head, which is right there. Since I'm looking at the left-hand side of my chart, I read the top, and I'm going to go to cosecant, and I'm going to come down that column and match up right there, and it says 1.561. Now I keep saying we have to read the top part of our table. Notice that we also have cosine, sine, cotangent, tangent, all of these trig names at the bottom too, but they're not the same. If I look here, I have sine up here, cosine down here. Well, that's because they're reciprocals of each other. And if I were to find the sine, I would have my adjacent over hypotenuse. The cosine would be adjacent over hypotenuse, and the sine would be my opposite over hypotenuse. So the trig ratios end up dividing out where I work with now the right-hand side if I'm working with this bottom. So remember when we talked about reciprocals of each other, and yesterday setting up the fact that we've got cosine and sine are reciprocals of each other from different angles? So if I were at a 40-degree angle, and then I would be at the other acute angle, my 50-degree angle, they would be reciprocals of each other with the sine and cosine. So that's what this trig table represents.